To make this wafer paper lettuce, you will need a mat, a sheet of wafer paper, and an airbrush. I'm using some Americolour lemon yellow to begin with, and I'm going to spray it all over the wafer paper sheet. Try and leave some parts a bit whiter and other parts a little bit denser in colour to add variation. I'm then going to top it off with Americolour electric green. Again, spray it quite unevenly so you get a mix of the white, yellow and green parts of the lettuce, which will make it look a lot more realistic. The colour doesn't go through, so you'll need to flip it over and repeat exactly the same on the other side. As it's airbrushed, it will dry quite quickly, so while it's still slightly damp, scrumple and really rough it up. Don't worry if it tears, as we're going to rip it up anyway. Tear off different size strips in length and in thickness. You'll find the paper wants to tear better in one direction, so try and use that to help you. And it's that simple. Very realistic looking lettuce in less than 5 minutes, ready to make your food cakes really come to life. I use mine on this realistic sub cake. If you'd like to see how I created it, click the link above. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel for more hints, tips and cake decorating ideas.